Human existence is inextricably linked to the forests. In total, the largest forests in the world occupy around 31% of the planet's surface area. Know of their size, forests make the biggest difference to the health of our planet. Each forest has its own special arrangement of trees and plants. Forests are home to fungi, a wide variety of animals, mosses, and insects. We can only speculate as to how much larger the woodlands could possibly get. It comes as no surprise that substantial sums must be spent to cover the square miles of pricey forests. Additionally, woods maintain an equilibrium for animal populations and stop soil erosion. Humans get their oxygen from forests, which serves as a daily reminder of how lovely our planet is. Here is a detailed list of the largest woods in the world. Let's look at what makes them exceptional. South American Amazon rainforest. The largest tropical rainforest in the world is called the Amazon rainforest or Amazonian jungle. It comprises the majority of South America's Amazon basin and has an area of 5,500,000 square kilometers. Brazil accounts for 60% of the world's forests, followed by Peru with 13% and Colombia with 10%. Ecuador, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, Bolivia, and Venezuela are home to the minor components. The Amazon is thought to contain 390 billion distinct trees from 16,000 different kinds. As a result, Amazon represents more than half of the world's rainforest. Furthermore, it contained the world's most biodiverse region of tropical rainforest. Therefore, it is clear that the Amazon rainforest has undergone major changes. These alterations were brought about by further deglaciation during the past 21,000 years. The forest, which is where the rabies virus is propagated, has been home to a large number of parasites and vampires. As a result, the Amazon region also carries a danger of malaria, yellow fever, and dengue fever. Africa's Congo rainforest. With the lowest deforestation rate of any significant tropical forest zone, the Congo rainforest is the second largest tropical forest in the world. Southeast Cameroon, the Republic of the Congo, the Northern, and the Central Democratic Republic of the Congo are all covered by the Congo rainforests. It includes parts of both Central and Southern Asia. As a result, it drains the Congo Basin, a region measuring 3.7 million square kilometers. A wide belt of lowland tropical moist broadleaf forests has been created by the forests. Therefore, the Congo River Basin and its tributaries in Central Africa are covered in broadleaf forests. With more than 600 different tree species and 10,000 different animal species, the Congo rainforest is renowned for having a high level of biodiversity. Known residents of Congo include elephants, gorillas, chimpanzees, okapi, leopards, lions, and hippos. South American Valdivian temperate rainforest. Due to a lot of rain, the region where the Valdivian rainforest is located has a high humidity level. Additionally, because of its near to the seaside, it also causes foggy weather. In the southern Valdivian region, the tree descends to 1,000 m from its elevation of approximately 2,400 m in the northern section of central Chile. As a result of these heights, Andean vegetation gradually took the place of the temperate forests. Here, the summertime temperature can reach 16.5 degrees Celsius, while the wintertime low is 7 degrees Celsius. Malaysia's Kinabalu National Park. As Malaysia's first national park, Kinabalu National Park was created in 1964. It is the first UNESCO-designated World Heritage Site in Malaysia. There are around 100 species of animals and 326 species of birds among its more than 4,500 plant and animal species. As a result, the park is located on Sabah's western coast in Malaysian Borneo. It exists and encircles Mount Kinabalu, the highest mountain on the island of Kinabalu, with a surface area of 754 square kilometers. Thus, Mount Kinabalu is 4,095.2 meters above sea level. Numerous individuals come to the site to climb. Consequently, it is one of the most well-liked tourist sites in Sabah and Malaysia as a whole. This location was designated by UNESCO as a center of a diverse variety of plants and as a rich source of species. These species originate from Malaysia, the tropics, the Himalayas, Australia, China, and China. American Tongass National Forest. With a total area of 16.7 million acres, the Tongass National Forest is the biggest forest in North America. The majority of the temperate rainforest is covered by it. The forest is far enough away to support a large number of uncommon and endangered plant and animal species. It prevents climate change and removes around 8% of the annual pollution brought on by global warming. The Tongass is capable of capturing 10% to 12% of carbon dioxide. Unfortunately, logging and deforestation have a severe impact on the extent and condition of the forest. The Tongass, as well as the fjords, glaciers, and cliffs of the coast mountains, are all under the management of the United States Forest Service. However, Tongass glaciers draw a sizable number of tourists to the region. There are many bears and squeaking fish, like salmon, in the forest. The forest, which was first established on September 10, 1907, is home to many different habitat species, including humpback and orca whales, otter beavers, and beavers. King, chum, red silver, and pink salmon are among the species of salmon found in the Tongass. Australia's Daintree Rainforest. North of Mosman and Cairns in Queensland, Australia, is where you'll find the Daintree Rainforest. The oldest forest in the world that continues to exist is the moist tropical rainforest. In addition, at 1,200 square kilometers, it is the largest rainforest on the Australian continent. The Daintree Rainforest was given its name by an Australian geologist and photographer in honor of Richard Daintree. The rainforest's incredible quality is that the Reef Marine Park is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. As a result, Daintree is a popular tourist destination all over the world and draws a large number of people. However, issues with the ecology are brought on by weed growth, residential area development, and climate change. The Mosman River, Bloomfield River, and Daintree River are the principal rivers in the Daintree Forest. The southern cassowaries and saltwater crocodiles are the principal animal occupants of the Daintree Rainforest, which was founded in 1988. Compared to the other major rainforests on the list, the Daintree Rainforest has fewer flowering plants. Sri Lanka's Senaraja Forest Reserve. Sri Lanka's Senaraja Forest Reserve is a prime example of a biodiverse region. It has gained international recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and Biosphere Reserve. The northern Jin Ganga and a tiny piece of the Kalu Ganga are both covered by the Senaraja Forest. The forest is home to a variety of endemic species, including trees, birds, animals, amphibians, and reptiles. A total of 360 square kilometers, 36,000 hectares, of land is covered by the rainforest. The Lion Kingdom is the name given to the lush forest. The reserve is highly valued for its biodiversity and importance to the island's natural equilibrium. Due to its location on the boundary of the three districts of Gal, Madura, and Ratnapura, despite its tiny size in comparison to other national parks, it was nonetheless regarded as a living legacy. The crested dango and the green pit viper are two of Senaraja's most notable species of wildlife. Costa Rica's Santa Elena Cloud Forest Reserve. The 26,000-acre Santa Elena Cloud Forest Reserve is here. Nearly every tree in the forest is covered in ferns, epiphytes, and lush green fields of mosses. In the 6 ecological jurisdictions, there are more than 2,000 plant species, 400 bird species, 80 mammal species, about 100 amphibians and reptiles, and a large number of insects. The forest is so high up that a canopy of clouds is covered by it. It is known as the terrain of the cloud forest as a result. As a result, the clouds serve as the forest's main source of humidity and provide enormous support for a variety of plants. The forest is a wonderful preserve for what people may learn from and maintain in the environment. The village of Santa Elena is likewise quite welcoming and exudes a sense of tranquility. It will compel you to help the inhabitants there because it offers adventures of all types. Tropical Xishuangbanna Rainforest. In the southwest of South China's Yunnan province is where you'll find the rainforest of Xishuangbanna. It is regarded as the world's tropics of rainforest and contains a profusion of tropical plants. Flora and fauna are well shown in the woodland. As researchers examined the 3,500 different species of flora and wildlife. According to biologists, this woodland is therefore valuable. Established in 1959, the rainforest covers a surface area of 927 square miles. Because to the mountains that surround the natural reserve, it has a particularly humid climate. In numerous ways, the Lansang River system traverses the tropical jungle. Numerous endangered animal species, including Asian elephants, gibbons, and both Indian and Chinese tigers, can be found in the jungle. It includes 16% of China's rich array of plants and has about 5,000 types of vascular plants. Its significance to China as a source of birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians cannot be disputed either. That was for today. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.